Okay, today we're showcasing one of the best keyless in Gakoran. So make sure to join the GG interview. Okay, we have a party here. We have a perfect or something normal and adaptive one. Normal engine party and distribution like a best overall for overall. So the party here for module, VIM, and all that. And you can even change here if you have Ali, you can use Ali style, evasive first, yeah, like that. To stop M1 is only for Ali. Then stop N1 when parrying, can turn that out. There's the parry chance too. Beyond that, it will stop your M1 for your Ali coverage. And you can even don't parry your friends, your phone contact. And here's the timing. You can check here your ping, but I recommend having like 43, 43 to 40, yeah, negative. And yeah, even the max range. Make sure you put that in, yeah, in the less. So you're not blocking everyone in the range. And for auto judge, yeah, it's the auto judge angle. 2%, yeah. For dodge action, M2 assist, like when someone doing M2, you can hit or dodge behind them. Wait, hold on. Let me do this. Yo, M2 miracle. M2, M2. Wait, you're boxing. Yeah, that's why. No, no, no. Do M1, M1, M1. Do M1, M1. Again, again, again. Wait, wait, wait. It's probably lagging, so yeah. You can change the timing here. Yeah, do M1 again. M1, M1. Wait, wait, wait. M1, M1. Oh, okay. Yeah, do M1. M1, M1. Yeah. Do crit, crit, crit. M2, M2, M2. M2, bro. Yeah. And dodge. Yeah, just like that. Okay, stop. Can even do this auto punish when when someone do M2. Say from you can even do this. No ragdoll, no parish cooldown, no stun, no dodge cooldown. Yeah, this thing is very OP. You can see, you can dodge. You can dodge like that for auto sprint if you stamina. I can, yeah. I'm low, so I can run. Can even change your speed. No blur. And again, you have your auto rhythm too. On. Yeah, you can even do something like this. Mo. You can even change your color into, but it's, yeah, client side only. Yeah, and some bind. Yeah, yeah. This thing is very OP. You can even remove the watermark here. Pigeontarium. Make sure to join here in this server to get a key. It's free, by the way. I'm gonna leave the Discord in the description, okay? GG's.